Okay, hello everyone. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to highlight duplicate values in Google Sheets. So, this is perfect for cleaning data, spotting errors, or managing lists. So, let's get started, guys. So, as you can see on my screen, I've got some data here, and I want to see if there's a duplicate one. So, first is click and drag to select the range of cells you want to check for duplicate. So okay, so in this data, guys, I want to know in this column I wanted to know um, how many hours or what hours that has a duplicate one. Okay, so this can be a single column like a list of names, or multiple columns if you want to scan a larger data set. So for me, I just gonna select this column. So with your data selected, go to the top menu and click format and select conditional formatting. So a panel will open on the right side of your screen, and next thing you need to do in the conditional formatting panel, look for the drop down label format rules. Okay, so maybe you just need to add a column. So here, as you can see, there's a format rules. So you have to select custom formula is, and so after that, guys, you have to enter this formula, guys. Equals count if a parenthesis. So what specific column, guys? It is D column, and what rows you started, you want to check is, for me, D4, and close parentheses, and what value you are trying to, you know for me, I want to know like how many hours or what numbers or what hours that has to duplicate. Okay, so and then you just and this, guys, make sure in this formula, guys, make sure the column letter matches the column you selected. So this formula checks how many times each value appears, and if it is more than once, it is flagged as duplicate. So you should immediately see duplicate cells light up on your sheet. So under formatting style, choose a fill color, um like red, yellow, or green, whatever you wanted, guys. So to highlight the duplicate. So you can also change the text. So you might want to make it bold or anything you want, guys. So you can change anything, so or make the duplicates bold if you want them to stand out more. So if everything's all right, just click done, and your formatting rule is now active. So whenever new duplicate values appear, they will automatically highlighted. Okay, so that's it, guys. So you've successfully highlighted duplicates in Google Sheet. As you can see, in 1.3 there are a lot of 1.3 here, so at least more than one I put in there. So guys, that's all, guys. So thank you for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more quick helpful tutorials. Thank you.